Model, 2017 Fiat Doblo Combo Cargo Maxi L2 Diesel 1.3 Multijet 16-valve ULEZ Euro 6 needs body, white, panel van mileage, 111010 MOT, 10 January 2024 engine, 1248 cc 33,010,000 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a rattle. Timing chain is slightly stretched. Timing chain will need replacing. Very cheap and simple repair. Condition summary. Bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Ex-electrician's van, so this has been well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.